Hi guys, today I'm going to show you exactly what you get for £30 British per night in Thailand. More specifically Hua Hin, Thailand, but this is also true countrywide. And this isn't a youth hostel. This is an internationally named, branded hotel. So what's the hotel called? Well, it's the Ibis in Hua Hin. And if you're like me, you're a bit too old to be staying in a hostel. But sometimes on your travels, we can't do the luxury 5-star hotel. Even though I've talked about in other videos, the luxury 5-star hotels are very cheap comparatively to Europe, in Thailand. But sometimes I've been Hua Hin and I've been there for like a week and a half, 2 weeks. I actually do some work in Hua Hin, work with a company there. And I don't want to be spending £100 a night when I can get all of this for £30 a night. So what do you get? You get an Ibis room, pretty standard, although in this Ibis room you get a fridge. They top up the water daily. You get a little balcony, which is wonderful. You get air conditioning. You get fast broadband. I think I was getting 30 megasecond, which was plenty for me to work. Now, strangely with a loyalty card, you don't get upgraded at Ibis hotels, but in this one you did. They upgraded me to the family room. So I also had bunk beds. I didn't sleep in them. But there was a little kids area around the back with an old PlayStation and a TV. So I used that as a TV, as a second screen on my laptop, and created myself a lovely little workspace. But it's not all work, of course. You've got a swimming pool. So it's a great pool, especially for an Ibis. And you've also got the beach. But be warned, you need to time the tides. Because if you go down to the beach and you get it right, you get this wonder of the world. If you get it wrong, you get this. That's literally, it's less than 5 minutes walk from the hotel, which is absolutely fantastic. Back to the hotel, the bar, it is a hotel lobby bar. The restaurant, again, very light and airy. Fair to say basic. Now, I had breakfast many days in there. It's a good buffet breakfast, but you're not going to get honeycomb. It's not that wild buffet experience, but it'll set you up well, whether you're sunbathing or working. And equally in the evening, it is that casual style of food. Now, I didn't ever have dinner because there's so many restaurants in Hua Hin. But a couple of times I had room service. It's self-room service. You order it in the restaurant, then you go down and collect it. Not a problem. And I had pizza a couple of times. It was brilliant. But what's the highlight of staying at the Ibis? Quite simply, every time you arrive and every time you leave, there's a man at the door who salutes you. Now in this video, I'm not asking for a salute, just a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my hotel stories, every single day, I've reviewed 125 hotels over the last few years, and for 60 days, and I think we're about halfway through, for 60 days I'm going to talk about a hotel that I've really enjoyed. It's just got that little special memory in my head, and the Hua Hin Ibis has that at £30 a night. I actually paid £25 a night, but before I made this recording I double checked the price, and it's £30. Even on New Year's Eve it's only £60 a night. It's incredible. So great value hotel. You don't have to stay in a hostel to be on a budget, and you can have an international brand so you know exactly what you're going for. The full review video is in the description below, as are links directly to Ibis Accor, so you can book direct and get these great prices. And just, yeah, if you'd like to see me tomorrow for another hotel story of the day, then you know what to do. Just press the subscribe button. Ring the bell, then YouTube will notify you when I publish another video, because it's not just hotels of the day. I do my normal travel video every week, and I also do my hotel special offers every week. So you know you want to. Anyway, look forward to seeing you tomorrow for another hotel. Thanks very much for watching, and take care. Bye for now.